Hey guys, this is sorted.
So I got this ball launcher on Temu today, and it looks like it's okay quality, but I used these ball launchers before for my colleagues who just love chasing balls, and they never had these adjustable things. So this has an adjustable thing for the size of the ball. So for a big ball or for a small ball, you can pick it up, and then it has a very kind of rigid plastic handle. But now what I noticed when you're trying to throw the ball, if I put the ball in there and bring that up, close that. Okay, so the ball's in there, and then you go to throw it. Okay, I'm going to do a proper throw. I'm just going to throw this back here and then flick. Now the problem with the ball thrower is it throws it low, and what I'm looking at when I'm looking at this is the problem. It goes down too far over the ball. Holly, Nacho, give me that. Okay, so this part here is the problem. It goes too low over the ball. So when you go to throw the ball with a really hard throw, you're expecting to go high, but it goes low. And then I'm going to show you how I'm going to fix this issue so the ball actually goes a little bit higher. So I'm in my garage, and this is my Parkside Grinder I got in Lidl. So I'm going to just grind this this section here at the front of the ball launcher and see if we can get down to a better fit. Okay, that's a bit shorter than before, so a little bit more. Alright, okay, so that's it grinded down. So let's try and pick up the ball and see if we can launch it. Okay, so now I'm going to see if that grinded ball launcher works any better. So let's pick it up. Now that's how to fix your Temu Dog Ball launcher sorted.